In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon promotional credit, digital rewards, or promotional balance. This is an extremely useful tool, especially if you've recently made purchases on Amazon and opted for slower shipping options like the no-rush shipping, which often comes with digital rewards. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to get started by logging into your Amazon account. Make sure you're doing this through a web browser. It's a straightforward step, but it's essential to ensure you've entered the correct credentials so you can access all the features without any hitches. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your account settings. At the top right corner of the Amazon homepage, there's an option labeled Your Account. Click on that, and it will direct you to a comprehensive menu with several sections focusing on different aspects of your account management. Now, our main focus is on the Payments section, or what might be listed as Wallet, or gift cards and top-up. Once you're in this section, keep an eye out for the term Rewards and Balances. This section is generally where Amazon lists any promotional credits you may have, right below your standard payment methods. You're looking for any specific entries labeled something like Digital Rewards, Promotional Balance, or No Rush Reward Balance. These are indicators of promotional credits you have not yet utilized. If you spot these entries, congratulations! You've successfully identified how much credit you have available. However, don't be discouraged if you don't find any such entries listed. There could be a few reasons for this. It's possible you simply haven't accumulated any promotional credit, or that your current Amazon region or site doesn't display this information in the same way. Moreover, it's important to note that certain credits may not be visibly apparent until you attempt to purchase a digital item. So, if you're in the middle of shopping, especially for digital goods like ebooks or apps, try adding one to your cart. Sometimes, your available credits will pop up at checkout, giving you a pleasant surprise discount, and that's all there is to it. By using these steps, you should be able to track down your promotional credits and potentially save some money on your next purchase. Remember, policies and interfaces might slightly differ depending on your country, but the general navigation remains similar. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Make sure to revisit these steps whenever you're curious about any promotional rewards Amazon might have credited to you. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping.